How to use Squarespace. And this is about to help you here through this video. It's still to be about to be ready right now to roll the product is over here. About to be understood through what we are looking for and how we can start to deal with the site that is should be really about it. So what we can do is exactly about to log in through the Squarespace account and select the site that you would like to edit. Start to drag and drop interference blocks and text and images forms to your pages like that to add its blocks. Then customize and look feel by the design is about to be here. Through the adjust styles and changes that site will be alive for it. So that is exactly about it. Okay, so that is still exactly about to be understood through that progress as you can understand and see to publish your changes. And that is all about to help